and let's make some fucking money. What do you think? Let's make some money. Emergency press conference. Let's talk about this really quickly. We are seeing a massive sell-off right now on the 5-minute chart of the QQQ. After the bell, we have earnings for Amazon and Apple. I had a brain fart there, my bad. But we're looking at this downtrend. I don't want to buy it just yet. We have a downtrend on the 5-minute. I'm looking at the daily chart. This thing has gone crazy. So look at this real quick. Do you see? I need you to take a look at this really fast. Is this little reversal candle right here is what I'm looking at. There's a gap down to this $300 level. And I want to show you something. And this is for our eyes only. I want to show you a reversal candlestick that I love so much. I've been working on a course, so I'm going to show you a slide. Look at this. Look at this slide real quick. Sell signals, shooting star signal. I think this could end up being that shooting star. That is a reversal candle and an uptrend, and I absolutely love to play that. So I'm looking. Could go either way. It's earnings, it's Amazon, it's Apple, it's the whole market. But if either one of those miss, the market pulls back strong. And I'm going to look at this right now. It looked like Meta didn't have very good earnings, but they did a share buyback. And we might have to look out for that for other tech stocks as well, because share buybacks might be a very bullish thing for the tech sector. So this could go either way, but it fits my risk-reward ratio here. So I'm looking at these QQQ puts for next week, February 10th expiration. Look at these. 300s are 196. In the monies are 500. We haven't had a big sell-off day in a long, long time. And even if we do get to this level, down to 300 and bounce, they'll be in the money. And they'll be up over $300 a contract, less theta, if the market starts to sell off a little bit. But this wouldn't even be the bottom. You can tell that I have this uptrend drawn, and the test for tomorrow would be around like 296. These could end up paying really, really well with a limited amount of theta. There is some risk in there, but something I'm really paying attention to. I think that this could be a really great play. So, I don't really want to take these at the very low, I would hate to take these at the low, but we are selling off right now. We are selling off. This almost makes me want to do a QQQ put, but I know we're going to end up somewhat bouncing at some point here. Let's see what the low of the day is. The low of the day is at 306. I can't imagine that we get there right away, but I can imagine that around 3 o'clock when power hour starts, this could end up being... Oh, this is not what I want to do. I did not want to create a channel, but I will. We're creating a channel. Here's the channel. We're in a downtrend. Obviously, we're in a downtrend. You can tell. But this is the support line at 306.75. I would hate to buy these put contracts now at 205 when they were just 175. We're dropping like flies right now. But I think that we could get a nice little fill. A little bit better than this. I really do think we can get way better than this. NVIDIA is also one that I want to take a look at. Everything across the board. Tesla, Facebook, Amazon, everything has just they just went into oblivion. And let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Went up to 197 to 185. This thing has room down to 180, even 160. This thing has just been squeezed. I want some puts. I think we're overextended. I haven't seen Amazon's report yet, but the economy is in absolute shit, and I think it's garbage. And I think that SI could be a really good opportunity too. If you look at SI, it already came down, 25 all the way down to 18. This is crazy. This sell-off has been nuts. So already we're seeing a big pullback, but crypto is kind of holding off a little bit. It probably will dump here at some point. Been consolidating for a little bit, so maybe it'll end up holding off. We did get some good news yesterday with Powell talking about how it could help crypto. But the market is selling the hell off. We could go negative. So now you're seeing that shooting star candle. And we're about to see it on tech too. Man, this could be great. I really think that this could be great. I think I'm going to just get involved here. I'm going to get involved 209 fill. Just one. I'm going to do an update on this contract. I'm going to probably buy 10. I'm probably going to buy 10 at some point, but I don't want to buy right now because I know we're all the way down here. I think that we could end up getting this pretty close to the money, $300 a contract, that'd be pretty cool. And if it's only a $200 risk, not much there. I wish I would have bought them at 122. That would have been really cool, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? I'm going to probably hold on to this for a couple days. I think by the end of this week, we start to see that sell pattern. Nice little SPY action here from 418 to 413. Tons of sell opportunities. Had a nice hammer candle to try to reverse, but instantly got rejected. No buyers in sight. I think that this run has finally deceased. Finally. If Amazon and Apple knock it out of the park, here's two levels that I'll be watching. 420 on the SPY. I'll show you why. 420 is a very key level. Now this is the 5-minute chart. Here's the daily. So I'm going to zoom out for you. Complete sell signal here. Could just be filling the gap though. But this 420 is a massive resistance point, and it stems back all the way from 824, 61, back here to 420, all the way back here to 37. So lots of 420 action over here. And that seems to be a key point of resistance. So if we get any sort of bullish news, this could see a nice little gap fill to 411, and then maybe tomorrow or a couple of days from now. Is today Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. So one more day we could see that rip up to 420. So those are some levels that I'm watching right now. I'm expecting this to bounce low-key at the end of the day. That's why I only bought one. I'm going to start scaling in. But if we look at this downtrend on the SPY, has not broke yet. It needs to get up to 414.50. And it looks like this is that shooting star pattern that I was talking about right here. So could be a really great play. Could end up all the way down there today, right around this low of the day at 412.79. That would confirm a reversal sell signal. And if Amazon and Apple miss, this thing could get destroyed. Same with the QQQ, sub 300, which is why I'm starting to scale in a little bit. So here we are, looking pretty good. I think for a couple weeks out, or even a week out, I think the sellers are here. So hope that helps you guys out. And let's make some fucking money. What do you think? Let's make some money.